Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Quantum Simon Says PCB Kit and connect it to the Quantum system so you can use it for your next project. The Simon Says DIY Kit is a take on the classic Simon Says game. This project will help you understand how to use a port expander with the Quantum system. Before we start, you can find all related information about the Simon Says game, such as application and firmware files, bill of materials, diagrams and schematics on our documentation page. The link to the documentation is available in the description below. Before we assemble the PCB, make sure to download the bill of materials. This has all the parts required to complete this project. The BOM is especially important because it contains the component reference. For example, if you have a resistor labeled R1 in the BOM, place it where it says R1 on the PCB. Once you have finished soldering the PCB, you're now ready to connect it to the builder base. First, where labeled on the PCB, connect the SDA and SCL lines to the SDA and SCL lines on the builder base. Then connect the two ground terminals on the board to the two ground ports on the builder base. And lastly, connect the two 5V ports on the board to the single 5V port on the builder base. Plug the builder base into power and turn the switch on the board to the on position. If wired correctly, the white LED should illuminate. Now you're ready to upload the Simon Says firmware to the builder base. Download the firmware from the documentation page and import it into the firmware builder on your server. Next, save your firmware and upload it to the client that you've connected the Simon Says game to. Download the Simon Says app from the documentation page. Next, navigate to the app builder page on your Q server. Click Import, then click Copy from File and select the Simon Says app.json file that you downloaded. Now click the Play button next to the application name, which will open the application mapping. For each hardware object, select the client with the corresponding hardware. Once you are done, hit the Save and Run button. You're now ready to play the Simon Says game. Click the Start button and good luck!
We hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the rest of our videos, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification button for updates. You can also follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.